Here's how to add a second WhatsApp account. First of all, you need to go ahead and launch your WhatsApp application on your mobile device and log into your account. After that, tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. This will take you to this kind of page. Tap on the plus icon in the right hand side of the screen in the top. And now there you'll get the option of Add Account. Go ahead and tap on it. Select your country code and your phone number. Then select Continue again if you want to transfer the chat history. If you do not have one, you can go ahead and select Not Now. And to transfer, you can use the scan QR code to connect if you have it logged in into another device, and then you can transfer the chats over here. Confirm your profile info. And if you do not have your WhatsApp account logged into another device, you can go ahead, enter your phone number and confirm your phone number, and a code will be sent to that specific number. Enter the code over here and you'll be instantly logged in to your WhatsApp account. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.